What is up, guys? So today, I know I'm a little late, but I wanted to take a look at the CarX Drift Racing 3 car damage demo, as well as a couple other videos on CarX Technology's YouTube channel. If you want to check them out, their channel's going to be right here on the screen somewhere. Definitely go take a look. If you haven't played CarX, Drift Racing 3 might be a great one to get into. I played CarX Drift Racing all the way back in, what was it, like 2014 maybe, on the phone when CarX was strictly a mobile game. I absolutely loved it. I played it all the time in high school, and then it finally came to consoles back in like PS4, and I played the hell out of that. And I've kind of fallen out of it since I got into Assetto Corsa, but this looks really good. I am super excited to get into this game because it looks visually amazing. The sounds are crazy. Let's jump into it. We got a 20-second clip where I was going to break it down, rewind a bunch, really dive in deep on certain things that stand out to me and that I'm excited for. So let's check it out. Okay, that was quick. 1 second. Okay, 1 second. We're at Ebisu North Course, I believe, and this is that really heavy, fast corner. You dive deep into it, you get crazy angle. It's a really difficult corner for me, myself. I could never really get it right. But as you can see, we got S14 here. We got some colored knuckles on the front suspension. We got some scrapes coming off. Alright, we got a Supra. Smashes this barrier. Absolutely throws the car into the air. Bumper flies off. So right now we're already seeing bumpers can be flown off, sparks when you hit a wall. I mean, the environment is really reacting to what's going on with the car. Okay, right there. What track was this? What track? So this looks like some form of maybe a fictional track. I'm not entirely sure. I don't know of any tracks with planes all over it on an airfield. Unless we're talking an old Top Gear test track, which I doubt this is going to be that. But right here you can see on the bottom right of the FRS and the rear quarter panel, literally a chunk came off of the bumper. So not only can bumpers fly off, and we have the whole muffler on the bottom of the car. Whole muffler flew off. So not only can we get bumpers that completely come off, bumpers that can be hanging off, but we have entire chunks that can fall off of the car, which is really cool. And I hope it really sticks with multiplayer. And, you know, because if they can match that to where, say, this person breaks their bumper, is the whole lobby going to see that? Or is it kind of going to be a little gimmicky? You know, because I've seen other games do that, where it looks amazing on your screen, but for other people, they don't always see the exact same thing. So right here, he's drifting on, looks like Ebisu again, possibly. I'm not entirely sure. Don't quote me. But you got the A86 here. We got the bumper flew off, crash support, it looks like it came off, and the left taillight is shattered, but it's still intact, it's still there. So that's really interesting. The foliage looks amazing, the landscape looks good, the lighting is the biggest thing that I noticed right away. Right away was the lighting. I mean, CarX Drift Racing, the original one, because 2 is mobile only, I believe, but the first one, the lighting was good, but it was just so arcadey still. It wasn't really, it didn't hit that level of realism that really kind of was like, whoa, this looks really good. It was just kind of like, yeah, it's good. It's a drifting game. That's all you do. This looks a lot more in depth, and I'm way more excited for this than I was CarX Street, which I'm still waiting for that to come out. Nürburgring, right there. Look at that. I am so excited for this. So, right here, another. So the mufflers apparently snap clean off, just right at the welds. They just, whoever's welding these exhausts, you need to step it up. But right here we have the Nürburgring. I know this corner, you come out to the left, you go up to the right, you get a little bit of an incline. This is a tricky corner. I've definitely recreated this exact wreck multiple times on this track. We've got the BMW M4, it looks like, or M3 Comp. Smashing that barrier, bumper hanging off. A lot of bumpers hanging off. I wish they would show more of maybe front end damage, maybe a wheel coming off. Maybe a coilover flies out of the car. I mean, who knows? This is also early beta testing, so it's not final product. Let's watch a little bit more. Okay. Wow. That's what I wanted. Right there. Okay. So the front of the S14 here, he comes into the jump drift on Ebisu North, completely obliterates the front end. You can even see we have the engine showing, bumper comes off, the hood crumples, so we have crumple physics, if that's what you want to call it. I'm going to call it crumple physics. So the car was full lock, he smashes it. You can see the engine, you can see it looks like hoses or wires. You have debris flying out. Whew, okay. Wow, this is... Yeah, so the whole quarter panel right here completely crumples. Now, is this going to be like cosmetic only, or are we going to have actual damage? And if we do have actual damage to structural integrity or suspension, or say you hit something so hard your gas tank falls out, you know, I'm asking a little much here, but that would be cool. I mean, maybe there would be an option for 100% realism or 10% realism where it's only cosmetic and you can reset it at a click of a button. Or maybe you can turn it off completely. Say you don't want to see bumpers flying off every 30 seconds. Totally cool. I would love to see that because I don't always want to destroy my car when I'm driving it. So right there, I mean, these crashes look violent. Oh, boom. Okay, back bumper flew out of this Supra. Taillight ejected, gone. Ejectocito cuz in the taillight. So yeah, CarX Drift Racing 3 coming soon. I mean, man, this looks great. This looks amazing. So this video on CarX's page is about their new Road 3.0 feature. From what I've taken already, it's basically they're implementing almost like laser scan technology, where if that track actually has bumps and cracks and crevices and dips and elevation change or a pothole, I'm assuming that's going to be in the game. So you're not going to only have to adapt to the car, you're going to have to adapt to the track. You're going to have to know these key points where the car might dip a little bit, it might get thrown off to the side because that part of the road dips, or something along those lines. But yeah, this looks really interesting. Again, this is new for CarX, very new. So Road 3.0 is a common name for a number of features and enhancements that aim to make CarX Drift Racing 3 locations more real and immersive. Very cool. Look at the foliage here. Like the nature aspect of this game. It just looks so good. It looks great. Like, I'm so excited for this. So players will have to focus more on driving skills and car physics due to high level of geometric accuracy in the road design. Updated visuals for roadsides, clearly. Yeah, the grass growing out of the little cracks in the pavement because the track's so old. I mean, Ebisu looks amazing. Yeah, oh man, this looks great. This just looks amazing. The asphalt surface is inconsistent, featuring a mix of old patches and completely new road sectors, mirroring the delivery found in real-life road conditions. So that's really cool. Yeah, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. All the stains, the oil stains on the ground from cars being parked over time. I mean, they're nailing it on the key details that most people aren't going to notice. The pit lanes look amazing. The lighting, again, great. Tire markings have been refreshed and will now reflect varying degrees of wear and tear. You got another track here. Looks like Silverstone or the Nürburgring GP layout. Tire marks also vary across the track, with some areas showing more usage than others, as accurately portrayed in the game. Okay. Tree models look good. The tree models do look good. Man, it looks amazing. Ebisu looks so good. CarX Drift Racing 3 coming soon. I'm excited. Hope you guys are excited. And if you are, let me know what you're most excited for in the comments. Do you want to see more cars? Do you want to see new weird cars? Do you want to see certain tracks? Is there certain features you guys are excited for? Like for me, the road physics, this Road 3.0 feature, I love it. I think it's amazing. I think it's the coolest thing they've done so far. The lighting, I don't know if they're using the same engine or not, but the lighting looks great. I mean, like I've said in the past video, graphics pull me into a game. If this game looked the exact same as the original CarX, I wouldn't really bat an eye at it. I'd go, oh, it's CarX, whoop-de-doo, new tracks, okay. But the lighting, the foliage, you know, the environment, you know, like they do have a little extra cars here. I see they have a little bit of different NPC cars, but maybe bump the graphics quality of those cars up one notch, just a little bit more realistic. But yeah, I can't wait to go rip some togeys, rip around Ebisu Minami, hit the jump drift, obliterate my car, smash it to shreds. It's going to be a fun time. So as soon as this game drops, expect to see content of this game, and I'm hoping my PC is upgraded in time to really enjoy it at its full potential, because this looks phenomenal. But yeah, that's going to do it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe, please like, and comment whatever you want to see in CarX Drift Racing 3. I'm interested. I want to know what my viewers want to see. So yeah, that's going to do it, guys. Thanks.